One important topic you need to be clear about before you start to trade currencies or any other market is to determine your real motivations for trading. Although the answer to this seems to be easy at face value, in truth, it's a bit more complicated. There are traders who subconsciously seek thrill and excitement in trading. They value the thrill of entering risky trades more than they value earning a profit. They usually end up losing money. There are also traders who subconsciously wish to lose money because they feel that it isn't morally right to earn money that way. This is not a personal opinion of mine, but the result of some serious psychological research about traders' habits and motivations. There are also traders with a strong personal character who are natural fighters. They fight against the market, trying to win and always be right, which amounts to a totally unprofitable tactic. Finally, there are calm, self-aware, often humble, realistic and down-to-earth traders who understand the market possibilities, risks and chances and try to earn more than they lose, nothing more, nothing less. Such traders have the best chance to earn money in trading currencies. Ask yourself, which type of trader do you associate yourself with? If you belong to a wrong trading type, maybe you should spare yourself unnecessary frustration. There is a life outside trading. If you belong to the last group, learn the necessary skills and rules, acquaint yourself with all the risks involved, set realistic goals and arm yourself with discipline and patience. If you master the above, the market will be a generous friend. Be a friend to the market, not its enemy. Take everything the market offers to you, but try not to extort more, because you will get burned. The market is too big and too powerful for anyone to fight against it. Finally, don't take yourself too seriously. It's only money. Trading is as much a chess game as it is about earning money, in which one must use discipline, patience, and analytic skills in order to excel. Indeed, it is a game where money acts as a minor player. In conclusion, don't trade in order to earn enough money to pay for a new car, because that strategy will fail. Trading while having a certain financial goal doesn't work. Trade as if it is a game of skill, while conquering your bad habits and sharpening your good habits. If you master trading, money will follow. Money from trading is a reward for mastering one's skills, not a final goal. If you lose money by entering a position as a result of following the rules in a disciplined manner, pat yourself on the back. But if you win a position while breaking your rules, you should be concerned about your future as a trader. Follow your rules. If they start to lose you money, adapt them accordingly.